So first of all, how was the revelation started to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? The wahi started to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam with the beginning verses of Surah Alaq. As Hazrat Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha narrated in Bukhari, the wahi started from the true dreams, and then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to like worship lonely, and then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam started to worship in cave of Hira. Once upon a time, when the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was busy in worshipping, the one angel came to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and told Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Iqra," that recite. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam answered him, "I can't recite." He squeezed Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said again, "Recite, Iqra." Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam answered him again, "I can't recite." He squeezed Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam again and told, "Iqra," recite. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said again, "I can't recite." Then the angel started by himself, "Iqra bismi rabbikal ladhi khalaq." Recite in the name of your Lord who created. Khalaqal insana min alaq. Created man from clot. Iqra wa rabbukal akram. Recite, and your Lord is most generous. So after that, the angel did not came to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam for 3 years. So this time is called Fatrate Wahi, the time of Fatrate Wahi. In these 3 years, that angel did not came to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So after the 3 years, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw the same angel between sky and the earth. And that time, the angel revealed on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam the beginning verses of Surah Muddassir. So after that, the wahi continuously came to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Contact us for learning online Quran with proper tajweed and translation, Hifzul Quran, Alim course, Urdu, English and Arabic, reading, writing and speaking. We have also expert teachers for all modern sciences subjects. We are teaching 24 hours all over the world, including Pakistan.